Think before you desire. There is every possibility that your desire will be fulfilled and then you will suffer, says the Divine Master. This desire comes through Rahu. Bhagavan Raman Maharshi says, desire is Maya. Maya means illusion. And desirelessness is God, godliness. So you see, desire, the state of desire is Rahu. The state of desirelessness is Ketu. And when you understand what Rahu is, only then you can overcome your desire. Unless you understand the problem called Rahu, how can you find the solution? And so, my friends and my close followers, today is a very special day, because today my new book, Revealing Rahu in 27 Nakshatras, with remedies for Rahu and black magic spell, is finally released. Here is the first glimpse of my new book on Rahu. Revealing Rahu in 27 Nakshatras. This book is currently available on Amazon India, and after 15 days it will be available in US, UK, Canada, Australia, Japan, Italy and Spain. I will be sharing more details about it on my Instagram profile as well as on LinkedIn. So what exactly is in this book? So this book is basically categorized in 5 parts. The first part is about Rahu. The second part is revealing Rahu in 27 Nakshatras. So this is the most extensive part in which you will learn about Rahu in specific nakshatra gives what kind of results. And I have given some real life examples so that you understand it in a much better way. And then the third part is Rahu house placements, in which I have mentioned about the results of Rahu in 12 houses. The fourth part is the question and answer session on Rahu, in which I have answered around 5 to 6 questions on Rahu. And the fifth part, the most important part, is the Rahu remedies. So in this Rahu remedies part, I have specifically mentioned remedies for Rahu Mahadasha. Remedies if you are living in an apartment having number 4 or combination that leads to number 4. And remedies for black magic spells, because Rahu is directly connected with black magic. Rahu is ash. What is ash? When I say ash, I am referring to the ash of the dead body, which is only found in the graveyard. And that is why the color of Rahu is also ash color, meaning grey shade. And most of the black magic spells are done by using this kind of ash of dead bodies. Rahu is also connected with Mercury, because the guru of Rahu is Mercury, and Rahu exalts in the sign of Mercury, that is in Gemini. And Mercury is directly connected with Vayu, with air, and all kind of black magic spells are done through the medium of air. So how to overcome the black magic spells? For that I have mentioned certain remedies in this beautiful book, Revealing Rahu in 27 Nakshatras. If you want to order a copy from me, then I will be having only 15 copies of this book with me, and the cost on Amazon with courier charges is around 975 rupees. Whereas if you order a copy directly through me, then the charge will be around 850 rupees. But I have only limited 15 copies. So it is always first come first basis. As long as the copies remain, I will continue to take the order. Once the copies are sold out from my end, then you can order the book on Amazon and on Flipkart. So this is my second book on Rahu. The first book, How to Overcome Rahu. Many of you have read it. And I still receive emails from many people who have kept the book as a treasure because the book keeps them motivating spiritually. Similarly, in this new book on Rahu, also you will find many spiritual insights, and the book will keep you engaged. And through this engagement, you will continue to learn many new spiritual insights. So the book is not just about understanding Rahu, but it is a process that as you read, you also gain many spiritual insights. Probably this is my last book on Rahu, and I am sure those who have a certain depth of understanding will definitely love this book, will definitely read this book. Always remember, it is not you who choose the book, it is the book that chooses you. It is not you who choose God, it is God that chooses men. It is not you who choose the master, it is the master who chooses you. So I am certain that the book will fall in the right hands, and on the right hands will reach and rejoice by reading this wonderful book, revealing Rahu in 27 Nakshatras. In the description box, I have shared the Amazon link through which you can pre-order. And if you want to reach me, then my WhatsApp mobile number is also in the description box. And I am thankful to all my close followers. I think this channel is not just about sharing knowledge, but it has become more of a satsang in which I rejoice, you rejoice, and then there is a dance, a music. So love to all my close followers, and soon I will be coming with a new video on Ashlesha Nakshatra. It is a nakshatra that has been mistaken as a bad nakshatra, but I am going to debunk these kind of myths, and I am going to make you all realize that Ashlesha is indeed a very significant nakshatra with a very depth of understanding. So stay tuned, and I will be back soon. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru.
ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः।